Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine BES880BTR review. Breville Barista Touch Impress is one of the most sought-after espresso machines for coffee lovers who want CAF quality drinks without the complexity of traditional espresso equipment. The Breville Barista Touch Espresso Machine BES880BTR in Black Truffle combines a built-in grinder, intuitive touchscreen controls, automatic milk texturing, and thermojet heating technology into one sleek package. Check the video description for the updated price link. Designed for home baristas who appreciate convenience without sacrificing quality, this espresso machine delivers rich espresso shots, silky microfoam, and customizable beverage settings. Whether you enjoy cappuccinos, lattes, flat whites, or classic espresso, the machine provides a streamlined brewing experience with exceptional consistency. The elegant black truffle finish gives the machine a premium appearance that complements modern kitchens while offering advanced features usually found in higher-end commercial setups. One of the biggest advantages of this machine is how it bridges the gap between beginner-friendly automation and manual espresso customization. The touchscreen interface guides users through grinding, brewing, and milk frothing while allowing experienced users to fine-tune their drinks. Integrated precision conical burr grinder automatic steam wand with adjustable temperature. The colorful touchscreen is one of the machine's standout features. Users can simply tap their preferred drink, customize milk texture, coffee strength, and temperature, then save their favorite recipes for future use. The thermojet technology heats the machine in approximately 3 seconds, allowing you to prepare coffee almost instantly. This feature eliminates long waiting periods common with many espresso machines. The integrated grinder ensures fresh coffee grounds for every shot. The adjustable grind settings help users experiment with different coffee, beans, and extraction profiles to achieve the ideal espresso flavor. The steam wand automatically textures milk according to your chosen temperature and foam level. This feature creates creamy microfoam ideal for latte art and specialty coffee drinks. The machine allows multiple users to save their preferred drinks, making it ideal for families with different coffee preferences. The black truffle finish adds elegance and sophistication to any countertop. The stainless steel construction feels sturdy and durable, while the compact footprint ensures it fits comfortably in most kitchens. The water tank is easy to remove and refill, and the drip tray slides out effortlessly for cleaning. Every component feels thoughtfully designed to provide convenience and durability. Performance is where the Breville Barista Touch Impress truly shines. The pre-infusion system gradually increases water pressure before extraction, helping create balanced espresso with rich crema and enhanced flavor. Espresso shots are smooth, aromatic, and consistent. The grinder produces uniform grounds while the digital temperature control maintains optimal brewing temperatures throughout the extraction process. Milk-based beverages are equally impressive. The automatic steam wand creates silky milk texture suitable for cappuccinos, flat whites, and lattes. Users looking for additional premium home appliance recommendations may also explore this cordless impact driver guide for quality household tools and equipment. The touchscreen simplifies every step of making coffee. The machine guides users through grinding, tamping, brewing, and milk steaming with easy-to-follow visuals. Because the thermojet heating system warms up quickly, users can prepare drinks in minutes. Cleaning reminders and automated rinse cycles also make long-term maintenance easier. Home baristas wanting CAF quality espresso coffee enthusiasts seeking automation with customization, check the link in the description to get yours today.